Hey folks, Steve back again. We're at the car show Friday night, every Friday in downtown Painesville. This is going to be a little walkthrough. The weather kind of sucks today, so we do not have a very good turnout, but we'll take a little walk and go check out a few cars.
Trump's gonna drop a big one on their ass. I don't care myself. Yeah, right.
Get a little bit of a variety here. Some newer stuff, mainly older stuff. Like I said, we're down a tremendous amount of people tonight. It's pretty much, they're calling for rain here. Hopefully in the weeks to come I'll be able to get a better video of the amount of people that actually do show up for this show every Friday.
That's what I thought. When I took it in, it was right up to snuff.
A Jeep for sale.
It's for sale. Go ahead. It's all yours.
Is it on the window at all, the number?
Yes.
It's going on YouTube. um Says you get a little bit of everything here. It's Camaro. This little four-door. Little coupe for sale.
Most car bodies. This one,
In case anybody's interested.
this is what the original was.
This is probably like an eighth or a quarter of the cars that normally show up only here tonight. Definitely light on numbers, unfortunately, with the weather. Said we get some newer, some older.
Greetings from Central Milan.
Another.
The foulest stench is in the air. The fog of 40,000
Looks like it has the Kindiggit flush handles there.
closes to seal your face.
Nice Ford Lightning.
And though you fight to stay alive, your mind starts to shiver. For no mortal can resist.
Celine convertible. A little scan. Couple dusters. Little tow meter. Something a little different. The owners of this Jeep said that they fixed a posting for the Jeep, so if anybody's interested in something like this, some info. Looks like it's done up pretty good. Here into the Jeeps. But that's going to do it for us tonight. Unfortunately, like I said, there'd probably be another 100 or more cars here tonight on Fridays, downtown Painesville, here in Ohio. So, we can try to do some more shows here every Friday and hit some of the once a year shows that are in the area here in Northeast Ohio. But like I said, the weather definitely put a damper on the show tonight, so we'll catch you on the next one. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment. And if you are local, come on down. The church across the way there has good food for a cheap price. Hamburgers, hot dogs. Got the ice cream truck that shows up. And we're going to end the video here, and we'll catch you on the next one.